Hi guys, Catherine here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't mind my crazy dancing. But in this video, I wanted to show you guys my 4C wash day hair routine, what I'll typically do after a very long protective hairstyle. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So the first thing I'd usually have to do is to take down the hair. I had this hair in for almost like more than a month or so. It was really long. So yeah, the first thing is to take it out, and don't worry, I'm not cutting my hair. I know exactly where my hair is. And here's me just introducing you to my beautiful baby. Isn't she the cutest baby ever? I know she looks like me, but yeah, she's not my baby. She's my beautiful niece, my sister's baby. She was just so cute. God, look at all those cheeks. She's a lot bigger now though, so yeah. But yeah, this video is quite old. She was a baby when I filmed this video. So usually to help with loosening my hair or my braids, I usually spray in some water to make the whole process just a little bit easier. And yeah, once I'm done, I just try to look for any pieces of hair caught in my hair. And yeah, this is me just realizing that the real work has just started actually. So usually I like to put my hair in sections. I don't like to use rubber bands. I use these silicone hair ties sort of thing. And typically I would do a hot oil treatment after a protective style just to make sure I don't dry up my hair when I'm washing it. So here I'm using coconut oil and a couple of essential oils like peppermint, lavender and tea tree. I just mix them up in an applicator bottle. I warm it up and then I use that. For conditioner, usually I would go in with my Giovanni, but I was running out and I didn't want to finish it, so I opted for a very cheap conditioner. I think they sell this conditioner for like 300 naira or 400 naira. I just needed a conditioner to help me with detangling my hair basically. So I didn't need it to be something really good. But if you can, please use a very good conditioner. So usually after applying the conditioner to detangle my hair, I then go in with the warmed oils on my scalp and throughout the rest of my hair. I massage that very well. I try to detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. I twist it up and that's it. I just repeat that for all the remaining sections on my head. So yeah, once I'm done, I apply a plastic bag over my head. I put a hairnet to secure that in place and I tie a scarf. And I just leave this in for like an hour or two, just working around the house basically. and that's how much hair I lost. I showed that in a previous clip. So once I feel like it's enough time, it's usually between 1 and 2 hours, I will then go into the shower to wash my hair. So to shampoo my hair, I use 2 different shampoos. The first one is a black soap shampoo that I made myself from Dudu Osun. It gives me a very deep clean and makes sure that my hair is really clean. But right on top of that, I like to go in with a more moisturizing shampoo, and the one I'm using is from Shea Moisture, the Manuka and Honey line. It's my favorite line from Shea Moisture. So when I use that one, it feels even like a conditioner. It's more moisturizing and less stripping than the black soap one that I've made. So yeah, I just use both of them. So once I'm done washing my hair, I do go in with a conditioner. I don't do this all the time, but yeah, when I have the time, I like to do that. I apply the conditioner. The one I'm using is from Giovanni, and I like to detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb to make sure that there are no tangles in my hair. Once I'm done, I just twist everything up and just prep my hair for rinsing. Alright, so here's me out of the shower. Don't mind me, I have a clay mask on my face. I like to do this after I wash my face just to make sure like every shampoo and conditioner that must have gotten on my face is all pulled out of my face so I don't break out. So yeah, that's a tip. If you break out after washing your hair, you can use a face mask to make sure everything is off your face. Here I'm going with a deep conditioner that I've just DIY'd. It has like henna, fenugreek, and some other Ayurvedic herbs that I've just mixed together. So I just apply that throughout my hair, detangling as I go. So yeah, once I'm done again, I just put a plastic bag over my head. I usually put a hairnet, secure it, I tie my hair down with a scarf, and typically I would like to go to bed with my deep conditioner. it just gives it a lot of time to just like sink into my hair, since at the time I didn't have a steamer. So this is what I did to basically steam my hair without a steamer. So the next morning I just rinse everything out while I'm having my bath, and then now it's time to moisturize my hair. So I'm using this Coil and Style Milk from Shea Moisture, the coconut and hibiscus line. I really love the smell, and it just makes my hair really soft. So I apply that first, then I go in with the Cantu coconut curling cream on top of that. For my sealant, I'm using Kapuasu butter. I believe that's how you say it. I just apply that on top of the Cantu. And then I know this is very controversial, but yes, sometimes I do use grease on my hair. I make sure it doesn't touch my scalp, but yeah, I use it to seal my hair in. For me, this keeps the moisture in a lot longer than just using oils or butter. So yeah, just do whatever works for you. This works for me. So yeah, once I'm done, I just braid everything up like that, and I add this virgin hair fertilizer to my edges to make sure that they're stimulated for hair growth. And yeah, I just go ahead to style my hair whichever way that I want to. So typically this is what I do to my hair after a protective style. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it or learned anything. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.